Hey everyone, today we are talking about a tiny iPhone setting that quietly drains your battery and data without you realizing it. It's called Wi-Fi Assist. Most people don't even know this exists, but if you turn it off, you will instantly notice better battery life and less mobile data usage. So here is what it does. When Wi-Fi Assist is turned on, your iPhone automatically switches to mobile data whenever your Wi-Fi signal is weak. Sounds helpful, right? But here's the problem. Your iPhone doesn't just switch. It actually keeps both Wi-Fi and mobile data active at the same time. That means more battery usage. And if you're not on an unlimited data plan, more data consumption too. To check this, open settings, scroll down and tap mobile service or cellular if you're using the US naming. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll find a toggle called Wi-Fi Assist. If that switch is turned on, go ahead and turn it off. From now on, your iPhone will only use Wi-Fi when it's connected and will switch to mobile data only when Wi-Fi completely disconnects. This small change can make a noticeable difference in battery life, especially if you spend a lot of time in places with weak Wi-Fi signals like coffee shops, airports, or schools. So do yourself a favor, turn this off today and you'll instantly notice your battery lasting longer and your data usage going down. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and hidden settings like this one. See you in the next one.